One of the most reassuring aspects of life is its intricate design. Why? Intricacy is complexity. On the other hand, design suggests purpose. We look under an electron microscope and we see the most beautiful array of geometric design within a snowflake, each snowflake different. Nature is wonderful. The number in Jewish spirituality that defines nature is 7. 7 is the number of nature, 7 days of the week. This week's parasha is called 8, Shemini, 8th. What is 8? 8 means to go beyond the norms of nature, to go into the miraculous. We're told that King David's harp had 7 strings. Moshiach's harp will have 8 strings. In other words, although we see the beauty and intricacy of design, recognize that it's all a miracle. Underlying there lies the miracle of creation, which constantly maintains existence. And with that awareness, you can live a life of wonderment. Enjoy the miracle of your life.